In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sum a column in Notion, step by step, using a database. This is one of the most useful features in Notion if you're tracking numbers like expenses, grades, hours worked, budgets, or any kind of totals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly calculate sums in seconds without using formulas or external tools. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Notion workspace and open the database where you want to calculate the total. This can be any database view, such as a table, whether it's for students, tasks, finances, or anything else. Make sure you're in the table view so you can clearly see your columns and rows. Next, locate the column that contains the numbers you want to add up. In this example, we're using a column called Students, but the name doesn't matter. What does matter is the column type. Click on the column header and confirm that the property type is set to number. If it's not a number property, Notion won't be able to calculate a sum, so this step is very important. Once you've confirmed the column is a number type, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that column. At the bottom, you'll see a small area that says Calculate. This is where Notion lets you run quick calculations on your data without setting up formulas. Click on Calculate and a small menu will open with different calculation options. By default, Notion might show something like Count or Empty depending on your data. To change this, click on More Options to see the full list of available calculations. In the list of options, look for Sum and click on it. As soon as you select Sum, Notion will instantly calculate the total of all the numbers in that column and display the result at the bottom. There's no need to refresh, save, or confirm anything else. Take a moment to confirm the sum and make sure it matches what you expect. If your numbers change later, Notion will automatically update the sum in real time, which makes this perfect for ongoing tracking and planning. And that's it. You've successfully calculated the sum of a column in Notion. This simple feature can save you a lot of time and helps turn your Notion databases into powerful tracking tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.